Our NVQ Level 3 electrical installation course is designed for anyone looking to continue their learning after successful completion of the City and Guilds 2365 Level 3 Diploma. Completed entirely through a remote portfolio system, this course gives you the flexibility to progress at your own pace and according to your schedule. Whether you're balancing work commitments or other responsibilities, this course is designed to help you succeed on your terms. The NVQ 2357 course marks the final stage in your journey towards becoming a fully qualified electrician, bringing together all that you've learnt in your previous training. Upon enrolling onto the course, you will need to complete a bridging assessment, which will allow you to transfer the Level 2 and 3 diploma credits into the NVQ qualification. This will cover all the theory units within the NVQ, leaving you with only a personal evidence portfolio to put together. This electrical training course is your pathway to joining a competent person scheme or applying for your ECS Gold Card. For more information, please refer to our course page or give us a call so we can answer any further questions you may have.